IMS is an internationally accredited bilingual Montessori school for children ages 1 to 14 with 4 beautiful campuses in Hong Kong. Our mixed-age classrooms are designed around a 3-hour uninterrupted work cycle, giving children the freedom to choose their own work and drive their own learning. Every classroom is a full immersion experience, led all day by 2 AMI-trained teachers, 1 English and 1 Chinese speaking. As pioneers of bilingual Montessori education, we combine scientifically developed materials with our own uniquely designed curriculum to inspire hands-on engagement from the very youngest ages through adolescence. Your child's learning journey begins with Montessori First Steps, a nurturing bilingual environment for adults and children from 12 months. Our Montessori educational professionals guide each adult and child pairing as they explore the environment while sharing their expertise with parents in both languages. Accompanied by a parent or caregiver, your child explores a space designed just for them. They develop fine and gross motor skills, practice pre-verbal communication, and build a joyful "I can" attitude in a prepared environment. With this strong foundation, they transition seamlessly at age 24 months into our foundation program, stepping independently into a world of active, hands-on discovery. In the foundation environment, teachers guide each child toward independence, helping only when asked. Through real, everyday, practical life experiences, toddlers master purposeful work that builds true self-confidence. They will also quickly learn to express their own needs in English and Mandarin, and while communicating and socializing with a group of peers. This is the Casa dei Bambini, a unique 3-year program for children aged 3 to 6. At its heart is a simple, powerful motto: help me do it by myself. In our mixed age environment, everything is designed to help children become independent learners. Through hands-on, multisensory exploration, they engage their intellect and naturally enhance their concentration. It's a community where complex math and bilingual language concepts become accessible and where real-world skills like social problem solving are practiced every single day. As they grow, younger children imitate the older ones, while the oldest students step up as mentors. By the end of the program, they graduate as confident, active leaders of their classroom. Around age 6, children enter the age of reason, becoming deeply social learners. The IMS 6-year elementary program, ages 6 to 12, harnesses this shift through a rigorous, inquiry-based curriculum designed to build independent thinkers. Divided into lower elementary and upper elementary, students thrive in a highly collaborative environment. Rather than memorizing facts, they dive into concept-based research projects, mastering debate, discussion, and teamwork. Dual language learning is completely seamless here, with students switching between English and Mandarin with ease. Crucially, learning goes far beyond the classroom. By organizing their own outings, managing school activities, and participating in community service, IMS students naturally develop real-world responsibility, global perspective, and leadership skills. Entering adolescence around age 12, the students' focus shifts once again as they look to find their unique place within a larger community. The IMS Middle School program supports this transition by moving learning into a real-world microeconomy setting where students manage practical, hands-on enterprises alongside rigorous academics. They apply their knowledge through extensive field studies, running small student-led businesses, and engaging in meaningful community service across Hong Kong and beyond. Students frequently collaborate with local mentors, industry experts, and community leaders to guide their entrepreneurial and creative endeavors. By taking ownership of their education and their environment, IMS Middle School students develop true resilience, adaptability, and a strong moral compass. Would you like to hear more about the natural way to learn? We would love to tell you more. Email us today to attend our next admissions event.